Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today we'll be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi RS3 Sportback 4-sprung. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Daytona grey, sure to turn heads when on the road, and to the rear you have the privacy glass, adding a touch of sophistication to the sidecar's profile. Standing on 19-inch alloy wheels with a 5Y spoke design making a bold statement. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery with a centre armrest with 2 cup holders for those longer journeys and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display. Now, one of the main features is the panoramic glass sunroof, allowing natural daylight to flood the front cabin. And as you sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery, the iconic RS embossed logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device, and a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. Now, if you like listening to your playlist, then you'll absolutely love the Bang & Olufsen sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display, going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select, to choose your preferred driving mode such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. And driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below you have the climate control system, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected with the 2 USB charging points and Audi phone box with wireless charging, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox, an electric parking brake adding modern flair to the car's profile, and 2 handy cup holders. This approved used Audi RS3 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who would be more than happy to help. Thank you.